Hey, this is Iqbal Hassan. First of all, thank you for having a look at my Upwork profile. I'm a full-time freelancer. I am GoHighLevel and AI automation expert. I built a GoHighLevel system that works for you when you are not there. It is included website design using GoHighLevel built-in website design template, custom coding, AI, and WordPress, different landing page design, sales funnel, webinar arrangement, monthly meetup, email campaign, SMS campaign, WhatsApp integration, different API integration, sending domain setup, A2P verification, pipeline setup. In short, build a full functional CRM which is organized, which is efficient, effective, and most importantly, result driven. I am a top rated seller at Upwork. I work more than 6,000 hours and I completed more than 50 plus projects. Outside Upwork, I am doing the same. Most of my project is long term and most of my clients are coaches, different agencies, and all kind of small and local business owners. Most of my clients came to me with the same issue, like they have the GoHighLevel subscription, but it is not working. Somehow they purchase it and it is not functional, not organized, and definitely it is not result driven. That's why they end up getting a system, a CRM, which is broken. So what I will do, I will fix that for you. As I mentioned you that I completed more than 50 plus project, I will show you my Upwork profile, few of the project I completed, and I will show you a live demonstration in one of my clients' account so that you came to know what kind of work I can do and what kind of work I can deliver to you. So this is my Upwork profile. As you see that I'm a top rated plus seller, 100% job success rate, and these are my statistics, how many projects I completed and what else. Then these are the service I provide in detail: A2P verification, workflow automation, client portal, lead distribution, reputation and review management, migration from different CRM to GoHighLevel, AI chatbot, AI receptionist, and AI agent. That's also I set up. These are the job I completed: expert GoHighLevel CRM setup and deployment. You can see that this is more than 200 hours. Then this one is more than 400 hours. This one 34 hours. This one almost 400 hours of work. So as you can see, these are my completed project. Let me show you one of the project. So these are the job requirement I fulfill, like full GoHighLevel setup, domain, phone, email, and sub accounts, build pipelines, forms, automation and workflow, create funnels, landing pages or lead capture and follow up, integration with third-party tools, test and troubleshoot for smooth deployment. The project is completed according to the job requirement. Same with the other jobs, like this one is GoHighLevel funnel auditor and traffic specialist needed. For this particular project, I try to bring traffic to that project. He is to arrange a course, but there was no traffic for that course. So that's why I built a fresh funnel and to bring traffic to that particular course. Project I was talking about, like the live case study, this is the project I was talking about. More than 1200 hours and is still working. You can see the project this year 2026 and it is still continuing. I'm working as a agency manager, CRM manager. This is the project I manage. She has 4 different business and I manage all of it. I'll show you few of the things, like she arrange a monthly meetup. I arrange the meetup with the registration page and a landing page. Depending on the registration, you can see the pipeline. It is monthly. This month it has more than 200 registered, and all the email, all the registration confirmation, email reminder, all of it I build the backend with the workflow, email template and everything. This is one of her landing page out of so many. It's a IQ quiz. First of all, this is the landing page. It is designed using code and AI, and it is according to her brand color and everything which represents her. So this is the take the quiz, like you start the quiz. Depending on their results, we send the confirmation email. We market that particular course. They need to provide their info, and as soon as provide that info, they will receive this confirmation email that thank you for taking part on the course, and that way we will send their result. Depending on their result, for this, as I mentioned, that I use Webhook, Zapier, N8N automation. For this case, I use Webhook, and it is creating the contact, then adding a tag, sending the email for the confirmation, then the condition, what is their result. Depending on their result, it will update in the pipeline state. Then it will send the email campaign for the marketing. As soon they purchase the course, then they will stop receiving email and they will receive another emails. Let me show you one more thing. This is the confirmation email, the result, and this is the newsletter. Like this was sent this month, August. So these are the work I do: appearance, her marketing, social media. That's how we design it, and we are doing the marketing of it. These are the automation, IQ result, paid course marketing. So these are different kind of automation. Like every month we arrange a monthly meetup webinar. So each month we send email campaign to our leads. That is more than 5K. You can see almost 5K enrollment out of 5K, almost 300 registered. So there is a lot of other things and a lot of complex setup I do with the GoHighLevel to run a CRM smoothly. So if you are looking to build a system that is organized, result driven, and it is working when you are not there, then I am available for you. Let me know. I am looking forward to work with you. Thank you.